Yo, I was just chilling watching Rand, and I looked over and I was like, "Oh shit, mic's on." One sec, I was gonna turn this down. Looking good, man. Hold on, let me change my view here.
Why can't I move my Zoom? Okay, I gotta hit OK.
Ugh, nice.
I didn't, not a lot to chart today just because the market's all green.
Yeah, no, there wasn't much, which that's all I'm gonna post. Just us talking about it right now. Wasn't live. We haven't had an episode in a while, so it's all good anyway.
Yeah.
Um, so how was last night? What'd
It
you
was
guys
good. It
do?
went longer than expected, though.
What'd you guys do?
We went to a restaurant downtown. I forget. It's an Italian restaurant.
La Cucina?
La Cucina, yeah.
Yeah, we've been there. We tried to make a rezo the one day, but it's closed every Monday. You know how most,
Yeah.
high-end restaurants and salons are always closed on Monday. So we tried to do it on a Monday when we were free. But yeah, it's a nice place.
Yeah, they had half price wine Tuesdays, so that's why they picked it.
Ah.
So you can tell how that goes.
Was it a nice night that night? Probably. And it's nice. It's covered, and even if you're dining inside, it's a really nice place.
We sat in the inside because it was too humid for the girls.
Oh yeah, if it was one of those days, for sure.
Yeah, it's humid every day lately.
Yeah. Yeah, I kept going in and out of the Solana trade.
Yeah, I think the market's it's not sure where it wants to go right now.
No, it's like gonna go up. It's just choppy. It's just waiting.
Well,
yeah, there's gonna be a big catch-up trade soon, so we just have to be in the right spots. I just finally moved over. Actually, for the listeners, this will be funny. Not funny. This is something that happens. It even happens to me. So I went to buy crypto, and even CIBC, even though I've never had an issue with CIBC with buying crypto with different platforms, but they also had their own limits. And then when you buy, I guess when I bought a certain amount using my CIBC account, all of a sudden they don't let you buy anymore. So then I actually had to message one of our Wilma people and be like, how much crypto do you have on you? Let me buy some from you. So I bought crypto from someone because I wanted to get into more trades because I didn't want to pull anything out, right? I just wanted, and I couldn't buy. They maxed me out for some reason. So someone sent me stuff. But see, there's always a way to do it. If you know somebody, send them funds and they'll send you the crypto if you need it quick. Worst case scenario for anybody, you can always just go to an OTC, give them money, and then they'll throw it to your address. But that's worst case scenario. Anyway, sorry, what were you saying, Mike?
I added another one to my watch list, Floki. It's in a bullish triangle. I'm hoping it breaks the right side. So let's take it.
Let's see. Oh, sorry, you can't share because I'm not paying attention. There you go. Show me now.
See what screen we get here. Sure. Yeah, so I added a few just to watch. I'm not entering them though. You can see on the 1 hour, it's had quite the ride up.
Yeah.
But everything's like all your cryptos right now is kind of consolidating. So I got an alert set on this one here. So when it breaks it, I'll enter it on a long. I'm not ready to enter shorts yet. Just not sure the market's going to drop that much. It's kind of
and that's going to be enough. It's just going to, just down a bit, up a bit, down a bit, up a bit. Just get everyone exhausted, and then all of a sudden, they're going to the big move will happen.
So another thing I did yesterday is I started going through all my coins that I've listed here, putting them on the weekly, and anything that's above the 21, I'm going to mark it with green just for something to watch because that's when you want to be in a long.
Yeah.
And I just kind of went down through them. See, that one's below. I won't look at it for a while. Just looking at that yellow line is what I'm looking at.
When it gets close to the yellow line, then it's go time.
That's, yeah, like that one, you B&B. Huh. It's been, everyone was afraid of it, but it seems to have been a good performer this year. That one hasn't been long. See, Bitcoin's right at there, right?
Yeah.
Once it breaks through, I think we're going to get some, but I don't think we're going to be breaking any highs till September. So it's probably just going to kind of range.
Yeah. But there's money to be made in some ranges, depending.
Yes, exactly. That's when you're scalping. What the market is right now for longs is kind of hard because they're all kind of in the top of a range. Or
yeah, you'd have to be in it already. You would have had to catch it.
I think when it's on an uptrend, you might want to add your 236 because that might be a bounce area just to keep an eye on. And again, I'm on the 4 hour this time now. And I have it set. You can see it's still below the weekly up there.
Yeah. See the alarm set on the 21?
I haven't.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I thought that's what you said.
When it gets closer, I'll set it to it.
Yeah, okay. Makes sense.
See, ENS is above it. So like that's
so you should already be in the trade type thing.
Yeah, if you entered it here, like if you'd have paid attention to that, you'd be running this. Taking some profits along the way, and you could still be in the trade.
Yeah.
But that's when you're doing long-term stuff. So look at there, that one's just breaking through. And that's ETH. Yeah, like if you go to your 12 hour, most of your stuff's kind of doing the retracement now. HBAR was a favorite one of yours, wasn't it?
Yeah. That's the hodl of the elites.
It's on a bounce.
What's it sitting at? Sorry, I can't see that. How much is HBAR? What does it say?
77.6 cents.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Ooh.
It's supposed to be 13 cents this bull run.
Okay. You can see how this morning's been a bit of a
dive.
Yeah, it's been on everything. Like some of them more extreme than others, but like that.
But those are entries.
Yeah, I know. Now you got to look for the entries.
Now I'm like, oh shit! You just showed me that HBAR. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna look at that later because that looks like it's sitting at resistance there or support.
Yeah, should go back.
So that might be a spot. It's really low leverage and then increase as you go.
Let's chart that thing. Remove these. Well, maybe leave them. So yeah, it is at resistance right here, right?
Yeah.
And then this is the 8 hour. Our next resistance really is going to be right at the 786. So if there's a big influx of money coming in, it could blast through the 786. It could. Yeah. I'd put an alert at probably the 8 cent area. And once it hits there, that means it's broken that resistance and that'll now become support. You could range a bit.
Yeah.
Because right now it's just sitting there. Let's drop down to 15 minute. That might be an entry right there.
What's the price?
75.7586.
Huh.
So that's where you can see it bounce there before. It's a likely target.
So 0.0786.
Yeah.
I'm going to put it in now.
Yeah.
HBAR.
It might be, we're at the bottom down here.
Limit order.
Oh, it's heading there for you. What's Bitcoin doing? It's on the same path.
Same.
Yeah, it's got resistance coming in these two areas. Put a box, it might be easier. Because this is a lower time frame. That might be an entry area there if you're trading it. See, but
Go back to the, what's the BTC box? What's the range? The trading range?
Right where it's at, 64 down to 64,149. So 64.4 to there.
Okay. 64.4, 60. So basically 63.99.
Yeah.
9. I'm going to put some entries there too. So I'm going to trade HBAR and BTC. I already have a Solana trade in, and we'll see what those look like tomorrow when we go live.
I don't have any. I took a bunch of profits last night to pay for my dinner.
Nice.
Yeah,
Nice.
It covered
That's the best. Like when you make a couple moves and then all of a sudden you can go to your lady and be like, oh yeah, bro, it fucking worked the other day. Bro, it's the best hack ever. You got to tell all the guys this. So I asked my lady, I go, guess where I'm taking you to dinner tonight? And she's like, oh, are we going to Borealis finally? I'm like, yeah, exactly. I didn't know where the fuck we were going. I let her decide that. I'm like, yeah, exactly. Oh, wait, I have to use the bathroom. And then I'm like in there trying to message Borealis to try to get a time. But it's the best, instead of you make the decision and you're wrong, you just ask them, guess where we're going tonight? And it's always right. Sushi? Yeah, how'd you know? Sushi, let's go.
The bathroom.
And that's the best, like, because then you do a trade and you're like, oh shit, I got some going out to dinner money. Let's, go on a date and just let them pick. Wow, you keep guessing right.
What I traded yesterday that I got, I was up 130 US, so it was enough to go for dinner.
Right?
Yeah.
Shit. 130 US, that's like $500 Canadian.
Feels like it, doesn't it?
Just kidding, it's more.
I wonder if the US dollar, I haven't paid attention. It must be climbing with Trump going to be more than likely elected.
Yeah. Man, there's just so much with that.
Yeah. I watched some of the Republican convention last night.
Yeah. Oh, you should see this Rand's video. They show the breakdown of how he turned his head, and only because he turned his head, it missed him and hit his ear. 2 bullets.
Wow.
One went right by, it didn't really touch him, and then the second one was the one that grazed him. And only because he turned his head. If he didn't turn his head, it was going to hit his eye. It was going right through his eyeball.
Wow.
Yeah, I just watched it on Rand's show. Rand's like, man, the first 10 minutes was all Trump, which, makes sense because they're talking about all the people that are backing him now and how many of those are actual crypto people. Like big crypto people. Like he had a list up there that had like Elon, the Winklevoss twins, like just it was a stacked card of people that are donating to him and are all about the red party now. Yeah, they talked
Yeah.
about that too. A lot of them are, switching because of it.
Oh, I bet
Because
they
of
are. Yeah.
the attempt. They were like, what? We can't be part of something like this.
Yeah, for sure.
So, anyway, sorry. Go on with render.
Oh, I'm just putting an alert. I did a fib on it. The way the market is, I want to watch what it does when it hits, it goes below. I think it might hit the 618 before I think of entering it.
Hmm.
But that'd be on a scalp, not a long term one, because otherwise I'd be looking at the 8 hour, and the 8 hour it's not showing much other than it's just kind of doing nothing.
Yeah. It's doing nothing. It's going to wait till we're all exhausted and then bam, I'm going to have to put something on the story on Instagram and be like, "See, told you. And it doesn't always mean I caught it. Just telling you that I told you.
That's true.
Everyone's like, I know. Everyone's like, holy shit, you're right. You caught that trade. No, I was right, but I didn't catch a trade. Shit.
That was the whiff one I called the other day, and I didn't nail it.
Oh,
It pissed me off.
right.
Oh, what's the total three doing? See, just about every coin looks exactly like this.
Yeah.
Just the total three. That's all your altcoins.
Yeah. All the altcoins always usually map the total three.
Yeah. This is one I'd never heard of before, but
I was part of a scam on that. I don't think it was a scam. It's basically a pyramid scheme for Tron, and I was on the bottom of it, so I didn't get any money. I just paid a bunch of ETH to get onto this thing, and then I got, it's not, again, it wasn't a scam. It was just the people that were signing up people way ahead of me, were the ones making. So,
yeah.
but Tron, that's what we use for TRC20. That's why it's so popular.
Oh,
yeah. Tron's USDT that gets moved around the world because it's so cheap on fees is their TRC20 belongs to Tron. It's a network. That's why they're doing well. Yeah.
So you learn something every day on the show. Oh, yeah. I'm just kind of hanging back today to see which way the market does go, because everything goes up must come down.
Yep.
And you don't want to.
No, you don't always have to be in a trade, No. That's a lot of people get into this. They start making money. They always think they need to be in a trade. We even feel like that sometimes, but we just remind ourselves that, no need to do all this work and then you break even. No, that's not why we're in this. We're trying to get right positions and turn assets into income.
Yeah, I like to do the 5 minute thing when it's getting to a big area. Like if you can find, like if you were doing the 5 minute scalp here and you just nailed the right one, you can carry it at high leverage all the way up.
Yeah.
Whereas if you're planning, like you just do an entry a day or two before at that amount, you're probably only going to be going in 3 or 4x, 5x. But you can build on it for sure, but on certain exchanges. When do you think Bitcoin's going to crack the all-time high?
Halloween.
Yeah.
No, I think it'll be before.
Not much before, I don't think.
No, but I think before Halloween. But I think around Halloween, around November, like it's gonna be a crazy. Parabolic days look so different. It's just you can't catch it. It's a weird part where you keep waiting for it to cool off and it never does. And then when you finally agree and say, all right, it's not going to cool off, let's go, it fucking corrects.
Yeah.
That's fucking, and you tell yourself, I'm going to take all these notes and next bull run, I'm going to wait 4 years. I'll never let that happen again. Guess what's happening?
Yeah. These are all my, I put them under scalps because they're high risk. Some coins I never really heard of. This is one I nailed the other day.
Oh, yes.
And I literally just put an entry in and put my stop loss right here. And then I went back in the next day because I forgot I did it, and I was up 183%.
Wow.
And then some people have been trading Popcat in our group. Again, one I never heard of. But
Would love to know what utility that is.
yeah, well, I'm pretty sure it's just a meme coin.
Right?
Yeah.
Nothing. No utility.
Yeah. I was trying to explain that at dinner to the guys because I was showing them like some of the trades, and I showed them how I paid for dinner and how much I was up because it was like 102%. And then they're like, oh, but they're all afraid. They got lots of money. They just invested in Bitcoin through CIBC.
Oh fuck! Through so it's not even theirs. It's just exposure. It's not even their own BTC. Oh my gosh. Anyways, go on.
And I was showing them how, we chart it, and the bank doesn't enter you, like they enter it wherever. They just do a market buy. Whereas you or I, even if you're doing a spot trade, you should always look for a dip because then
you just set a spot. Yeah, exactly.
Unless you're DCAing and it's doing it automatic. But even if you're going to DCA, pick your day, go to one of the charts and just wait for your RSI to come to the bottom.
Yeah.
And then enter it, and then just let it sit.
Yeah.
You might as well take what you can.
Buy as low as possible. Oh, that's fucked. I know the people, they don't get it.
Yeah.
They don't get it. They don't get the, oh my gosh.
Okay, let's go back to you were doing HBAR, right?
Yeah.
Oh, Max C, that's under.
Man, that looks like entries right there.
Yeah, we're right at it. See what it does.
Oh, look at it just coming down.
It's in their next zone, I guess. That's the thing about this.
It's funny probably because what I see is on a delay. Hold on one second.
We just don't want it setting a new lower low. 4 hours. Oh, there's still a long way to go to that. Here. So when I was on the 15-minute, I saw a double top this morning.
On Solana?
Yeah.
No wonder I got fucked.
Yeah. I know. I didn't spot it, and then I'm looking, and I'm like, oh, geez, because I was going to try to enter here, and I did try, and I got stopped out there.
Yeah, me too. All of those. What is that? 15-minute? Yeah, I was probably during all my shit too. I was just getting stopped out. Like I was making like a couple bucks. Like it would break through, and I would move into profit, and then I would look at my phone. I'm like, fuck, the trade's out. I got stopped out.
Yeah.
And then, I'm like, okay, I'm going to take it again because I know it's going. So it's set at like 150. I would do like 159. Come on, touch 159. It would touch 159 and get to 161. I'm like, oh, here we go. 23%. Nope. Moved it into profit and then made $5. Yay. Yes.
I think we could be heading down to the 140s now. Because it's still going to be a higher low on like an 8-hour or 12-hour, right? Because you're going to do this and then up.
Yeah, it's still a retest.
Yeah, it's going to retest this line, maybe even. It's a long retest, mind you.
Yeah.
But there's a 618 right around there too, so.
It could stop there.
Yeah. Yeah, it's hard to say. And there's a lot of resistance there. So you got a couple things.
Yeah, all it really tells me is there's no trades in right now.
Yeah, I know. I saw that this morning and I kind of walked away.
What do I have in? Okay, good. I don't have anything.
I'm pretty sure I'm
Good.
out of all mine. That's why it's so important to put a stop loss in, man. A
Yep.
couple times when I'm,
It's the first thing. And once it grabs, I put a stop loss and then I go back and revisit it.
yeah,
And just in case, at least I know. Because on KuCoin, when you put the percentage, it shows you the exact amount of money you're going to lose.
yes,
You know, like, oh, yes, there's still fees, but it'll give you the, okay, at this percentage, you're going to lose $24. Are you okay with that? Yes or no?
yeah.
Hit confirm. It's not easy. It's not hard. It may look hard when you're watching the charts, but when you actually open up your platform, your app, and set a trade, it's not that hard.
I usually put a percent in and see where it is, and then go back to the chart quickly and see if it's at resistance or.
Yeah. Yeah. You rechart your stop loss. I don't always do that, to be honest, but that's a great
I don't either, but I've started to.
It's a good idea.
And if it's, I'll put the stop loss in regardless.
Yes,
and
me
then
too.
and then sometimes I'll adjust it down if I see it's like at, the stop loss is above the 382. I'll move it just below it because the chances are it might bounce off it.
Yeah. Oh, that's true. Because usually I like setting alarms on my chart, for my stop losses. And then when I go to set them, I'm like, oh, wait a minute, I should move that. Yeah. No, that makes sense. Cause I do
Sometimes you go
set
a little
alarms
higher
for
risk,
them.
but it might keep you in the trade,
Yeah.
So
It was so funny too when my notifications for TradingView go off on my phone. I don't want to know if it's the lower one or the upper one. Like I don't want to look. I don't want to look.
You know what I started doing? I'll show you. So I put one. Well, even here, I'll put one on the RSI. Okay. I go down here, and I'll just put in big letters sell because I want to sell it when it hits there.
Yeah.
When it comes up right away, I know I'm going in to look.
So when it comes up on your phone, it says sell.
Sell.
That's smart. Look at that, blue collar crypto people. In your notes, in the message for your notification, you can simplify it. So when it comes up, you're not having to look at which one it is. It's the sell one or it's the buy one.
See, like I'll go to my notifications here, and you can change them later. If you go in here, there's all your alerts.
Yeah.
And you can just go in and modify them.
Nice. There you go.
That's the one I just put in. Like I'm going to delete it.
I called it sell. Then you can call ones buy. Oh, that's so smart.
Because half the time I don't remember why I put it. Oh, look at that. Good thing.
Ooh.
So that's a short opportunity now, I would say.
Yeah.
That's quite a. But yeah, that's what I started doing because I forget why they're there. Plus, it's easier. Like it comes up on my watch too, and I'll look at my watch and it'll say sell. I'm like, guys, I got to get my phone.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. So, and I started doing that with every alert I put in. Or like even say I'm doing a trade and I entered it like here and I put an alert up here because it's bouncing and I'm getting pissed off.
Yeah.
I'll put the alert to say in profit. So I know that it's finally gone green without staring at the chart all the time.
I shorted Floki.
Yeah.
I shorted it.
Oh, did you?
I did it. It just said it, and I just set my stop loss.
Maybe now I'm going to do it. I think the market's due for a correction, so I think today might be a day of looking for shorts.
Or is it us thinking that, and then all of a sudden the whales fuck with us?
That's
the green God candle happens because we all put shorts in. See what happens? It's the battle between shorts and long pants. Oh,
I just got my.
I'm in the green.
Change my stop loss to 3%. When I'm in it. That was pretty quick to go on the green.
Yeah, it's in the red now.
That's why you can't look.
Like, I know. I look once, it's under 0.15%. Look, oh, see, now it's green, 0.7%. I made 11 cents, lost 2 cents. Like, holy, it's so fast. I only put 7x.
I don't even know what I put. I did a 20x.
This is because he has real big kahunas.
No, this is my small trading account where I'm not afraid to lose the whole thing. It's like,
oh, see, there you go.
see, I started at $20 even. It's at 56 now.
Nice.
So I put a 3% stop loss. So I'm not going to lose a lot of money on it if it doesn't go. But look, it's going down. Where is she going to go to?
Oh, I made $1. Look at us on a short. That's $1 US. It's like $100 Canadian.
So you're probably going to go to multiple 0.17507 in that area.
Oh, we're fucking touching JTBIT numbers here, yo.
I never realized so many of them have these zeros.
Oh yeah, buddy. It's normal.
Those are the ones with the highest either return or risk because little moves a lot. Right?
Exactly. It's the highest risk yet highest reward.
Yeah.
That's yep. Any coins under,
Let's say under a buck.
I don't know, the 3,000 mark?
Where's Doge? I haven't looked at Doge in a long time.
I remember all the people.
Kind of, I use KuCoin.
Yeah.
I always try to pick the exchange I'm using, but I can never find KuCoin on here.
Yeah, no, sometimes I don't see it, so then I forget who I use when I can't. I always just choose the one that's closest.
Binance.
Yeah, it's usually Binance.
Binance is the biggest exchange.
What else? Yeah, there's another one I use. Oh, I can't think. But yeah, it's usually Binance is the winner.
Ooh, look at that.
Wow. What is that? Doge?
Yeah. Oh, geez. Even on the 30-minute, it looks bad.
Is that a short or is it too late?
It might be too late.
I think it's too late. I think that's you're looking at entry.
It might go down to this. What is this online? 200?
200?
I believe so. Where's my red? Too many indicators here.
Well, that's okay.
Oh, let's try well, it's still calling it green.
Wow.
Yeah, this thing is going to turn around based on all the it takes volume and all kinds of things into account. This one.
Huh. So Doge might be entry for a long.
When it starts its turnaround, yeah. Let's see what this is one I took all. AVAX, yeah, that was a good one for me. I took my profits up here, so I actually closed the trade because it was getting boring. I don't have the patience to wait for days and days and days. I don't know how some people do it.
Like me.
Yeah, this is annoying. I was watching a show this morning, and the guy has a new trading indicator that uses AI to predict where it's going. Right?
That's true. I set a long at 11999
on Doge.
on Doge. But I might miss it, but whatever.
Oh, I don't think so. No, let's get this bigger. Yeah, that's in the right area.
Yeah,
If it's gonna,
hopefully.
well, you got to stop. You put your stop loss in at the same time, or you're gonna wait till it hits.
I wait till it hits.
I do the same thing.
I know, and even though you can on KuCoin, and I thought, oh, it's always better. No, because maybe the market sentiment's different when it catches.
Yeah.
Right.
True.
So then, maybe I'll take more risk because, I see things happening different because it might, like, if it catches an hour from now, market could just totally be different an hour from now.
Yeah. And I always too, once it catches, I don't just look at the coin I'm trading. I always go back to Bitcoin and see what it's doing.
That's right. What is it doing? Where's the money flow? Yep.
Yeah.
Exactly. So yeah, I wait till it hits. Then I get the notification that the order's been filled. And then it's like, all right, let's figure it out.
Yeah. Well, I think we're going more green here.
Oh, yeah, she's coming down. Yeah, the trade's doing well.
Yeah. I'm up 6%. I got in a little later. How low will it go? I think she's going to drop a bit. It is Floki. Is it a gaming or is it I think it's a gaming.
Shibu, yeah, that's it. Nothing. It's fucking Thor's fake brother.
We're traders. We're not investors, so you don't care what it is. You're just trading where you can make money. You don't fall in love with it.
Exactly. It's what the technicals say.
Yeah.
Because we're not trading the asset, at least not normally. We're not doing coin all the time. It's USDT. We're betting US dollar on charts that we think we understand where the money flow is going. That's all it is.
Be positive here. See, and this is what you can do. Like, people don't realize that they think when a market's crashing, everybody's losing.
No,
the people making
as this
money.
is coming down as it is now. Wow, that was a nice little dun-dun.
Yeah.
Oh! Look at it. Come down.
Yeah. I'm up
Yes.
10%.
Yes.
It's moved half.
Oh, look at it. Let us watch this shit live. This is our fucking.
This is how come it's a game, because when it's going against you, you don't want to see those. Like, if you didn't enter up here and you forgot to put your stop loss in. Yeah.
Shit, I want to adjust my leverage, but I'm afraid. Because then I think it's bad luck if I adjust my leverage and it's going to go the opposite direction.
Or you just be stupid like me and didn't even. Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Shit, yeah. Pretty soon I can go eat at McDonald's.
I'm still at Tim Hortons. My leverage isn't that high. I'm at Tim Hortons.
I don't know. Tim Hortons nowadays.
I'm at medium double.
I am at.
Yeah, our ladies are going, come on, Home Sense. Come on, Home Sense. Oh, fuck.
We just can't afford the gas to get there.
Yeah. Shit. We got premium gas vehicles, for fuck's sakes.
Come on, get back down there. Well, the RSI is not turning up. That's a good indication. Why is my mouse not flashing when I push? Oh.
Come on. Oh, it's reversing. No. There you go. Oh, there we go. It's coming back. Look at that. Dump. There we go.
They fake out so you get out.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to move my stop loss to profit now.
I guess I could too.
Might as well.
Oh, I'm at McDonald's now. How was trading today? Oh, it wasn't bad. I got 2 Tims, 1 McDonald's, and a La Cucina. Oh, fuck. That's pretty good. Yeah, yeah. It's like a $400 day.
Yeah. I'm gonna move it to this. What's that give me? $2.41 if I move it to 7000178. I don't like seeing that little blue there. Oh,
That's actually a good price.
mine just stopped me out. Some bitch.
Just now?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I just looked up.
But now let's just watch this, because if this 5 minute, if it hits there, I might go in all along, man. Maybe this is bottomed out.
I don't know what to do. I'm still in green.
Oh, I took my profit.
Yeah. I don't know if I should take it
Two
out.
large
And go
double
long.
doubles.
You think it's long now?
I'm not calling it yet. I'll be honest. We still got 4 minutes left in this 5 minute candle.
Yeah.
So you gotta look over here. It tells you how much time's left.
It might all of a sudden just start to rip down.
And this RSI has started to head up, but it hasn't passed the 20 yet. So that's kind of
Oh.
See, it's a fake out.
Yep. The pin is coming.
And it's kind of a low volume one too.
Oh,
There you go.
boom. Oh, look at this chart porn.
But another thing, when the markets are like they are today, if you're in profit, make sure you're getting profit.
Yeah. Shit. Come on. There you go.
You can see almost everything's in the red right now.
Yeah.
And you don't want to be buying on the green. I think she's going to head back down again.
Yes.
See how this is flattened out again?
Yep. Wow, the 5 minutes is interesting. It's an exciting chart.
Yeah, it is.
I don't have time for this much excitement on most days. Shit.
No, that's the problem.
Yeah, you need to. Yeah, you got to be at your desk to do this. But that's the thing. If you have time on your hands because you're not working and you're thinking of a way to make money but stay remote, this is the one. It's this.
Yeah.
It's this.
I've made on like these 5 minute little things, $177 on one. I've made as low as, you lose a little. The most I lose is 3%. So it's like $3 or $4. And I don't put my full position in usually.
Yeah, but let's say an average of $100 a day. So if you do 4 of those, $400 a week, $1,200 a month, like, come on, man. People can utilize that. Just be remote.
You're doing these 5 minutes and you make $20 here, $20 there. You just got to watch your stop losses, and then you set your alerts at the 90 is where I usually do.
Yeah.
The market's really pumping. On this chart, just because I look at it, I'd set my alert lower just because it seemed to be bouncing around the 80 area. But you go to like Sol, and 90 is pretty safe bet, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. There's an entry right there, maybe. It is too. That's the line I put in. 15's at the bottom. 30's at the bottom. 1 hour's at the bottom. 4 hours at the bottom. That's a lot of up. 8 hours, the only one on the way down. I usually wait for that second candle though. How much time we got left? 25 seconds. Oh, and there's my alert. Just popped up on Bitcoin.
155,222. Or should I take a market?
Oh, wait a minute. I just want to make sure it's not going to do like our Floki just did.
Yeah.
Mind you, it's up. See how this one's pointing more up? Sol's a bit more of a reliable coin too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to do a one. Right, this line right here. Where the heck did I put that line from? Because it nailed it. Oh, right there. See how I marked the resistance right there?
Oh, yep.
Now, if we go to our 5 minute, you can see it literally bounced right off it.
Mm-hmm.
Let's make sure it doesn't bust through first. Did you enter already?
No, like there's I have it submitted, but it's a while back.
Yeah. I think I'm going to put a small position in. We're going to do it on, oh, shoot. My NordVPN hasn't been working too good the last few days. It keeps losing connection. Probably my phone. Shoot, man, now it's stalled. No, I don't take a survey. Okay. Oh. Sometimes you got to watch over here, make sure your numbers are still moving to make sure your chart's still live.
Yeah. No.
I've had it where it's not. You're still in your Floki?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's heading back down or not.
I'm still in the green. Barely, but
If this heads back down, Sol's going to do the same. What's Bitcoin do? See how they all look the same?
yeah.
They all have this down, up. I'll do it this way. I got them all.
Oh my
beside.
gosh, the market's going nuts.
I know it's a hard day to trade. It's a hard day.
Oof. All right.
Look at that. Shit.
Man.
Well, the next. It's there.
Oh, my Solana's in the green.
Is it?
Yeah.
I mean, it should start. Oh,
It's going hard. Kind of. Well, yeah, and I think I'm going to close this other one. Because the Solana one's flying. I think that's going to make this one flip around. Let's see. Do you think Floki will reverse with Solana now?
yeah. Oh, let's take a quick look.
Uh,
I'm not sure.
I know. I don't know if I'm about to market close it.
Yeah, I would. I think I would. That's starting to head up. That's at the bottom. That's at the bottom.
Yeah, I closed it. I'm gonna reverse it now. I'm going long. Fuck off. It's like, wait, I'm touching all the wrong things. Stop.
This is why when you're doing the 5 minutes, sometimes good to have a drink. You get a little more free with your money. Take a little more chances.
How much money? Let's do. Okay. Boom.
Oh, well, between those two trades, I think I can get a Big Mac soon. I'm on a 21x on Sol right now.
Oh shit! What's Doge doing? I have a Doge that one sitting really low though.
Let me check.
Yeah.
Doge. Oh, are you in a long on it?
No, I had a. Oh, is it already moving?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I missed it. I put an entry, but low, like a little bit lower. Fuck, should have just, the Loki's not touching.
What? It's still safe to enter. I would say it's still safe to enter.
Yeah.
See, on the 5 minutes climbing, 15, it's going to start a climb. But there's so many at the bottom that. Let's go to the 4 hour and see if we can see anything on charts. See, it bounced off the 50, or is that the 200? I couldn't figure that out earlier, remember?
Yeah.
It's the 200. The red's 200, see?
Yeah. Okay. Because it's the same on mine.
Yeah.
Doge.
And it's kind of at the 236.
All right. So I have a bunch of things in. I got to put some stop losses before I get crazy here.
Yeah.
Doge. Wow, everything's into green already.
Oh, shit. I got it set at 50x on Doge.
I have a 25 and 2 7s.
What do you have 25 on?
Solana.
Oh.
With coin.
Oh, really? So
I talk about all this safety, and then you hear me do something fucked up like that.
Yeah, but you got your stop loss in.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah, I do. Yep.
Your stop loss in, you don't have that much to lose when you think about it.
No, you don't worry, because you already know what it is. You've already accepted that loss.
And if it hits it, you reverse it.
Exactly.
I don't understand how the coin's going down in value, but you're making money on it going down. So how the coin does it, I don't know.
Yeah. The mystery of crypto.
Yeah. Cool. Yep.
All right. So like we said, guys, there isn't many trades. We said that, and then all of a sudden you just saw us grab 4 trades, but take a look. Alpha Adam's going to try to get on Instagram as well and start putting up stories anytime the charts need to be seen by you guys. And then he can just put a little blurb in there like, watch for this indicator, watch for this alert, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, just watch I'm going to be doing lives soon. Maybe I was thinking of doing the live at 5, just for 5 or 10 minutes. So that way you have a set time if you want. And then if I can see the questions when I'm doing it, you can ask them and I'll try to answer them.
I like that. Live at 5. Live at 5. Awesome. All right, guys. For Alpha Adams and Crypto G, this is Blue Collar Crypto. We'll see you soon.